everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious chocolate covered strawberry. So we want to wash our strawberry with some salt, vinegar, and just let it run in some cold water. Let it sit for a minute and then we're gonna rinse it out, and make sure to let it sit for a little minute. This is the second water. I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the strawberry and set it on a paper towel. We want to make sure that we dry off the water from the strawberry. I'm going to be using these white baker chips and these chocolate chips. You can find this at the baking section. Some coconuts to decorate and also some nuts. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour my chocolate chips, and I'm going to go ahead and melt them using the microwave for like 5 minutes in between, like melt it every 30 seconds until it's nice and melted. I'm going to transfer them, as you can see, in these little glass jars because it makes it easy for me to dip the strawberries. So they should be this liquidy. I'm going to take my strawberry and I'm going to use a toothpick, and I'm going to insert a toothpick on the side. This makes it easier for me to dip in the chocolate. Now I'm going to dip my strawberry, and that's how easy it is. Remember, the chocolate is still warm. And I'm going to set it on a parchment paper so it's not going to stick on the paper. I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to dip my strawberry again into my chocolate. Now let's do the white one. Just go ahead and dip it inside, and then make sure you take out the sides to prevent it from over dripping. Like when you place it on the parchment paper, it's gonna help it not to overflow. You can choose to dip the chocolate all the way or just halfway like I did, whichever you please, and it should come out well. So get the sides, remember to get the sides, and then put that side on the parchment paper, and it's just gonna fill it. I'm gonna dip again one more time, and I'm gonna repeat this for all the strawberries, the rest of the strawberries. I'll put them on the parchment paper. Make sure that the chocolate that you're using says the baking chocolate. It should be baking chocolate. If not, it's not gonna come out right. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same for all of the rest of the strawberries, and then I'm going to go ahead and also decorate. So make sure you get the sides, you dip, you spin it around, and then you get the sides. Make sure to let it drip and get the sides, and then place it on the parchment paper. And then I'm going to use a Ziploc bag and transfer the rest of my chocolates. You can also use a decorating kit if you have one, but if you don't have one, this is a cheaper method to be able to decorate your strawberries. I'm going to go ahead and transfer my white chocolate into the Ziploc bag. And then I'll form like a little loop. This is the chocolate I'm going to be using to decorate, so I'm going to make a little hole on it, and I'll go ahead and decorate my strawberries. So it should be like so. So I'm going to just go ahead and do like strokes on the strawberry. At this time my strawberry is a little harder but not quite dry, so I just go ahead and I make my little strokes. I'm sure you can do better than me, but this is how you do it. You just want to go in like so, and you have your little lines, or you can also hold it and you kind of go whichever way is easier for you. If you can pick up the strawberry and you do like that, whichever way is easier, and it's gonna come out looking like that. And this is really nice to decorate a dessert table, and that's how easy it is to make it, guys. You wouldn't believe how expensive this is at the bakery shop. If you've ever tried to get any of this at the bakery shop, they are so expensive, but they are so easy to make. You can as well make it yourself. So this is a very easy thing to do, so you don't have to spend much to be able to come out with something looking this delicious. But you can also use whichever decorations you like to use, and you just let it sit and dry. I also ended up using some coconut to decorate and some nuts, so I'm just going to go ahead and decorate the rest of my strawberry, and that'll be it. So you just go with nice little strokes. You can also push a Q-tip like this, using a Q-tip to decorate whichever way you want, or you can use some coconut and you just dip the strawberry while it's still wet. You can just like dip the strawberry and rotate it in there, and it should stick, and by the time it gets dry it will be good and hard. So you can also use some nuts and you just dip it around and it will stick right away, and by the time it's dry it should be good to go. Now I'm going to transfer all of this into the fridge and let it dry. After I finish so I'm going to take this and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or 1 hour, and by the time I come back it will be nice and dry and it will look so delicious. So it's been 30 minutes and this is how my chocolates came out. They look all good, they are all strong, and they are looking nice, and they are ready to go on the dessert table. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you love this video, please hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to leave a comment on if you try this method and it works out for you. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is a very easy method for you to be able to get this delicious looking strawberries, and you can also make like a bouquet, and that's how easy it is, guys. So don't spend much money, go ahead and do it yourself. Thanks for watching, bye.